Hello kids! Today we will practice sight words. But was his. Are you ready? Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. But B-U-T but. Camels are slow but strong. Again, camels are slow but strong. Your turn. Very good. The sun is hot but bright. Again, the sun is hot but bright. Your turn. Very good. It's cold outside, but beautiful. Again, it's cold outside, but beautiful. Your turn. Very good. Was W-A-S was. The food was very tasty. Again, the food was very tasty. Your turn. Very good. The movie was really exciting. Again, the movie was really exciting. Your turn. Very good. The toy was super nice. Again, the toy was super nice. Your turn. Very good. His. H-I-S. His. His dog runs very fast. Again. His dog runs very fast. Your turn. Very good. His shoes are really stylish. Again. His shoes are really stylish. Your turn. Very good. His bike is brand new. Again. His bike is brand new. Your turn. Very good. Are you ready to answer some questions? Question 1. Can you spell but? BUTWAS or HIS? And the right answer is BUT. But. Question 2. Can you spell was? BUTWAS or HIS? And the right answer is WAS, was. Question 3. Can you spell his? BUTWAS or HIS? And the right answer is HIS, his. Thank you so much for reading along. Teaching Mama is very happy. Would you like to meet me in the next video? Till then, take care and bye-bye.